Let's take a look at this example. This time we have given angle beta and side A. Please notice that angle is expressed in degrees. So make sure that you will switch your calculators to degrees. Now, we're supposed to find the length of side B, the length of side C, and angle alpha. Okay? Now, in order to find side B, I suppose to use the formula for tangent beta. Why? Because beta is given, side A is given, and I can find very easy beta. That's why I suppose to use this formula. Okay? So we have tangent beta is equal B over A. In order to find B, I suppose to rearrange the formula. I have to multiply both sides of the formula by the denominator. A and A will cancel out. And I have B is equal A times tangent beta, where A is equal 60.7 meters times tangent beta, which is equal 45 degrees. Plugging these values into the calculator, you're supposed to get B equals 60.7 meters. Okay, this is the length of side B. In order to find side C, the length of side C, I can use either formula for sine beta or cosine beta, because both of them contain C. Angle beta is given, and we've found already the length of side B, and side A was given. So you can use either formula or you can use Pythagorean theorem. This time I'm going to use formula for cosine angle beta. Why? Just to show you that there are different ways to solve these kind of problems. But remember, you can use sine beta formula, or you can use cosine or Pythagorean theorem. In order to practice, we are going to use formula for cosine beta. So if cosine beta is equal A over C. I'm supposed to find the length of side C. In order to solve this formula for C, I must multiply both sides of the formula by the denominator of my fraction. So if C times cosine beta is equal A. In order to find C, I have to divide both sides equation by cosine angle beta. Cosine beta and cosine beta will cancel out, and we have C is equal A over cosine beta, where A is equal 60.7 meters over cosine of 45 degrees. Plugging these values into the calculator, you're supposed to get 85.84 meters. Okay, and this is the length of the hypotenuse, the length of side C. In order to find the angle alpha, you're supposed to remember that the sum of angles alpha plus beta is equal 90 degrees. In order to find alpha, because beta is given, I'm supposed to move beta to the right side of the formula. And we have alpha is equal 90 degrees minus beta, which is equal 90 degrees minus 45 degrees is equal 45 degrees. So we've found the length of side B, we found the length of side C, and we found angle alpha, so it means that the problem is solved.